Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing with you. I started opening up the package and then I was like, wait, I should totally do a video on this before I open everything, and yeah. So that's pretty much what this video is. So it's two packages that I got. One of them I already opened the box on my Insta stories, but I figured I would share it here as well because it's also from the same company, and both of these packages are from AVON. And if you want to follow them, it's at AVON Insider. They do send me things so that I could like review and, you know, talk about them on the blog or on here. So I figured why not share them with you guys on a video. Might be something a little different. I think I did this once before. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, so for this first one, I already opened this package, like I said last week, on the blog. I mean, on my Instagram, Insta stories. So this is what came in there, and it's a super cute makeup bag, and it says Glow. I just absolutely love it. It's a holographic pink bag. It's so pretty. And then it says Stony Clover Lane. So it's designed with luck and love by Kendall and Libby, and they have like all their Instagram information on here, so I'm guessing that this is a collaboration that they did with AVON. So inside is all of the paperwork that comes, and it tells you about the products and, you know, their pricing and all that stuff. Show you guys is this AVON True Color, and this one is Dazzle Drops, and it is the Sun Kissed Dazzle Drops. I actually have this on with my foundation right now, and I absolutely love it. I showed this on Insta stories the other day. It's so easy to use, and it just makes like, it makes your skin so nice and like sun-kissed, you know, like exactly what it's called. So this is, it's pretty much like this, and it has the dropper, and then I just put like a few dots around my face, and then I blend it in like under my foundation, and it just, I love the way that it comes out. I also tried this with BB cream the other day, and it was so pretty. Okay, so the next thing that's in here is this Skin So Soft Radiant Glow, and it is an illuminating dry oil mist. It's so pretty. I love anything that like has shimmer and sparkle, and then it just gives you like that pretty glow. Yeah, that's really pretty, and it smells nice too. It pretty much just illuminates your skin, lightweight and luxurious, and I love this. This is so cool. So another skincare product is also from Skin So Soft, and this one is Radiant Glow, and it is a skin luminosity polish. So I love anything that has to do with like skincare and like just, you know, stuff like spa stuff. Ooh. So that's what it looks like, and it just it smells really nice. So you could see like the little tiny beads, and it's just like looks like really nice, and it's like a whipped texture. So yeah, that's what that is. I can't wait to try that out. So I didn't tell you guys. So this one goes for $10. You get 6.7 ounces, and it just launched in May. And you can get it from AVON, or you could visit their website. And the Glow Mist that I talked about before is $10, and it also just launched in May. And let's see what else we've got. The Dazzle Drops go for $14, and they also included this super cute like rock candy lollipop, and it's so cute because it's got like a rose gold, it's like rose gold dipped on the top. The last thing that's in here is this Avon Soleil, Avon Far Away Soleil, and it's a fragrance. I'll show you the bottle. And it has like this really pretty summer, like it's like a nice summer scent. It's really soft, you know, like if you like a soft scent, it's like a nice soft scent. Soleil combines notes of juicy and luscious bursts of citrus with rich musky aroma of creamy sandalwood and soft amber. So immersing her in a floral veil of sparkling freesia, I don't know, light gardenia and orange blossom. So it's like a mix of thing. So I guess, yeah, because like when you first smell it, it smells like a little bit like it could be a little strong, but then it has like this soft smell. I don't know, can't explain it. And this one goes for $23, and it just launched in June. That's everything. And then I just got another package right now. Okay, gotta put that down. So I just got another package right now. Like, it's funny because I don't have a doorbell. Like, I have like an old school knocker on my door. It's vintage, and I just refuse to get anything that's like too, I don't know, it's weird because I'm really like techie and I love like my technology because I'm a photographer, so I love like, you know, all my high-end like, you know, computers and programs and stuff like that. But then in my house I have like this like house from like the 1930s it was built, and I refuse to get like anything that's super modern in my house, and I just hate being disturbed by like doorbells and telephones and stuff like that. I mean, maybe it's just because I need to be like in my creative zone when I'm working from home, that kind of thing. But that's just me. So yeah, my dog is like my doorbell because as soon as somebody is at the door, like she starts whimpering and she just lets me know. So it's great. It works out. I mean, who needs a doorbell when you can have a little dog, right? So anyway, she let me know that this big box was on my doorstep. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And we have a nice clear box. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I didn't even notice that when I opened it. Oh wow. Okay, I wonder what this is. So this is from AVON as well, like I said, like I mentioned before. And it looks like these are spa products. So it says, they sent me a note and it says, Mask and Chill with one of 4 new skin enhancing formulas from AVON. Whether you're looking to purify, brighten, calm, or rejuvenate, AVON has a mask that will give your skin the TLC it deserves. EXO, AVON, and then it has like their hashtags and everything. So let's see. It's like, this is the paperwork. Yeah, so they're masks, and I love masks. I'm such a big fan of masking. Like, I believe in masking at least once a week. Whether it's your eyes or your entire face, like anything, I just feel like it kind of like cleanses and you know, purifies and like just brightens your skin, and just, you know, because our skin goes through a lot on a daily basis. Like, whether you're working from home, you know, like you get dust on your face or anything that you do. If you work in a city, there's so much pollution in the air, like pollen, all that stuff. So all that stuff is bad for your skin. So that's why it's so important to keep your skin healthy and clean. The other one is the AVON A New Ultimate Gold Peel Off Mask. Ooh. So this one, okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so they included a brush. I like that. It's soft too. So this is a foundation brush, but you can use this for masking, so that's pretty much why it's in here. And then these are the mask. It's a new purifying clay mask. So this one is the white charcoal powder, and this one is the brightening clay mask, and it has citrus peel extract. And then they have a green one here, and this is the calming clay mask, and this one has aloe. These are so cool. I mean, I can't wait to try this because I absolutely love masking, and I'm not just saying that. If you've been following me, like, you know, I love to do the mask. So, and then this one is the Ultimate Gold Peel Off Mask. So this one is supposed to be like youth boosting, luxurious gold mask that's formulated with powerful ingredients to enhance skin smoothness and brightness for visibly lifted and younger looking skin. So I think these are great, especially after you've had a long week, just like Friday night, you know, glass of wine, Netflix and chill. That's pretty much my Friday night anyway. I mean, this is so cute. I mean, I'm really like, this is just an awesome gift. I mean, so I really love this, and I can't wait to mask and try all of these out. And then they included this other towel in here. So this is like to dry my face, you know. It's so soft. It's, my gosh, it's really soft. And then like, I just love this little clear box. I mean, I can just keep all of my stuff in here, and it goes pretty nicely with this closet up here, with my glam room. So yeah, that is my video. And oh, okay, let me just tell you real quick. The Ultimate Gold Peel Off Mask goes for $38, and it launched this year. And then these guys, they are the, okay, so it's actually a collection, so this is a really good deal. So you get all of these for $16, and these just launched this May. that's a really good deal. I think that's really great for skincare especially. So yeah, that is my unboxing video. I hope you guys liked this video. I feel like I don't want to take this off. I'm going to definitely take a selfie with this on. Maybe that'll be my thumbnail, right? So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, this unboxing video. I do get boxes quite often, so if you guys like unboxing, let me know, comment down below, and I'll try to do some more as I get the packages in and stuff like that. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!